Today, companies rely on the cloud for much of their data storage needs. The cloud makes it easier, quicker, and more cost-effective to access files and collaborate on shared files from multiple devices. With cloud storage and backup services, many companies are now expanding their physical storage with the virtually unlimited capacity of cloud data centers. Are your customers confused by the differences in cloud storage and cloud backup usages? Are they even more confused by applications built in the cloud, sometimes using third-party cloud storage but not being backed up themselves? Are your customers confident that their data is secure when it's stored in the cloud? Do they have a recoverability plan or strategy in the event of a cloud outage? What would be the business impact of a complete loss of cloud data with no cloud backup? How do your customers know their backup data hasn't been tampered with and that restored data is still accurate and uncorrupted? Veeam is the leader in cloud data management, with simple, flexible and reliable solutions to help your customers trust the integrity of data shared when backed up on the cloud. Find out more about how you can respond to your customers' needs. Visit the Pro Partner portal or contact Veeam direct today.